Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a Stingray Convertible. Yay! Open it. Right now. I like this one because I saw it at Legend Tour. Now it's another prototype. One thing that's cool about this is if you put a light under it, the headlights shine. Probably because it has this round thing. And it's blue, and it's Brian's real car. Maybe someday you can see Brian riding on this real car, maybe. But it's kind of rare to see it, because he does Hot Wheels. It looks fast because it looks like a Corvette, but it's a Stingray. Stingray are fast. Yes, really fast. It has 5-spoke wheels. And I didn't open the side one. I opened the unsigned one. You should go back and see if it has the writing from Brian. I tricked you guys, maybe. Also, bye-bye garbage. I was embarrassing, right, Brian? Sorry. I was almost gonna joke you, wasn't I? Don't worry, because we didn't open the side one, see? Thank you, Brian, for responding to me. Also, bye-bye, Showtimers! Thanks for this gift.